Hubei Little Ant Diamond Tools Company, Limited was established in 2002, covers an area of 110 mu, has 12 workshops, construction area of nearly 70,000 square meters, is a professional research and development of super hard material products of the National High-Tech Enterprises, National Manufacturing Individual Champion Enterprises, Provincial Special New Little Giant Enterprises. In recent years, the company has always adhered to the two-wheel drive of product research and development and technological innovation, and maintained long-term industry-university research cooperation with China University of Geosciences, Wuhan University of Technology, Central South University and Henan University of Technology, constantly promoting the transformation of research and development results in the transformation and upgrading of production process. In 2022, the company plans a new technical renovation fund 400 million yuan, 200 sets of new on 6 sides jacking machines and 700 sets of equipment. The main production developing diamond, diamond single crystal, diamond powder, diamond tools manufacturing industry upstream products, and constantly to auto parts, photovoltaic, optical glass, and other areas of the precision machining, implements, artificial diamond, from raw material to the finished product, gold rigid stone tools, to expand the whole industrial chain, and strive to build the largest super hard materials and products production base in central China. Since the technical reform has completed the investment of nearly 200 million yuan, the installation of 6 surface top press 96 sets and 400 sets of supporting equipment. After the project is completed and put into operation, it can increase diamond single crystal production by 1 billion carats every year, realize annual output value of about 500 million yuan, generate tax of about 20 million yuan, and promote employment of more than 500 people.